Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
Jump like that. Yeah.
Hello, everybody. This is Cheech, and welcome to a game that I hopefully will play for a while and get a really high score. I really want to get a really high score on this catch-up game. Don't touch the spikes. Oh, I played it before. High score 2, but it's just kind of like Flappy Bird in a way. So I'll just put it in the middle. That's good. It's actually different from Flappy Bird. Okay. It's really laggy for right now for some reason. At least to get more time to jump. That stinks. Okay, it's just really laggy for some reason. And replay, play, touching the replay button, and there's an ad. Okay. That stinks. It's going so slow. It's gonna make it really hard to play. Well, that's what I'm here to do. There's different modes to this game. There's like an underground cave minigame thing. There's also like a park thing where you like collect, and there's like diamonds and emeralds or something. And they can be used to get different skins, and I think everything's just used to get skins. I think that's the point of this game, just getting a skin. Like, the point of money in this game is just to get skins. That's it. Almost touched the spikes. 20. The background changes over time. The candy's kind of like money. 3 games. That is amazing achievement. 10 points. I already got to 23. Okay, we're just gonna get to 10. It's gonna be very hard. Yeah. Boom. 3. It's going so slow. This is a very slow process. So close. Okay, yeah, I already beat the achievement. Okay, hopefully I can get past my high score. 23. Oh, it's going faster, so now I can... It's not as slow anymore. That was close. 20. Boom. Yay. Gotcha. Ooh, yeah. Background change it black and white. Sick. And I think every 25 points you get, the candies get you +1 candy. 30. Ooh, do. Yeah, 35. Ooh, green. This is pretty easy, actually. Wow. I think the fact that it's going slower is actually making it a lot easier. It is. I think I can get a much higher score this way. 47. Okay, I'm gonna get, if I can get to 50. No! It was so close to 50. 50. That would have been awesome to get 50 on one of the first tries of this video. That'd be, yeah. Be right back. Hopefully the cave mode isn't as bad as the regular mode. So we're gonna explore the cave. And it's freaking laggy again. This game. All you have to do is watch out for moving spikes. Boom. And get the gems. Or, I don't know what these things are. Lag! The lag is so real. It truly is. Okay. I'm just gonna get to a reasonable high score. Wait. Okay, the high score is right under my head. Right behind my... Okay, there it is. Okay. So it's not... doesn't... The score isn't how many jumps you do. It's not how many gems you collect, or diamonds, or I don't know. It's just... Oh! It's just the amount of time that you spend in the cave without dying. 100 meters. That's a winner. Okay, 125. Okay. Okay. No. Oh! That's crazy. I can't believe that was a big jump. Ugh, frick. I didn't see that spike on top of that spike. Okay, let's go to the menu again. And there's an ad, isn't there? Of course, there's an ad. Okay, let's get off of this mode. Go to the shop. Oh, it can be that guy. Or 13 gems. Only 13 gems. 27 can get me one of these. So I'll get one of these. I'll get these. Well, let's be this guy right here. Let's get into the park mode. Welcome to your park. Upgrade your park by tapping on the hammer to attract more birds. When you see a bird, tap on it to get a diamond. Spend your diamonds to get exclusive birds and to upgrade your park. Okay. Let's see. So all I have to do is just tap the birds that fly. How much does it take to upgrade? 25. Dang, there's too many candies. Birds. Can you just move around? Can you please exist for me? Okay, the birds are not going to show their faces. Ooh, yeah. I forgot about this mode. Nope, that's two-player mode. Duels. Okay, duel number 1. Let's see. So all I have to do is win this guy and stay alive, and that was fast. But they get insanely hard. So that was just the beginning. This is just the beginning. I've seen reviews. This game is pretty awesome. There's a lot of stuff to do, but it could get old kind of fast, but I'm just gonna play it for a few parts and maybe see how it goes. And beat this guy. Won this last jump. He's dead. Nope. Oh wow. Okay, he's definitely did this jump right here. Yeah. 7. Survived to 7. Good job, CPU. Good job. Just pat yourself on the back. There. Wings. Okay. Next, let's go to another duel with a bluebird. Okay. Ooh. Oh, Oh, what? What? It didn't let me tap the screen. Okay. That was weird. Oh, 2. I thought you'd be better. Fudge is great. There you go. Dead. Okay, and the last... Wait. I think this is... Oh, wait, no, this is the second to last round. Or, I don't know. Just please... Die. 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 Please, please die. Okay, he's gonna die right here. Right here, right now. Oh, crap. Okay, right here, right now. Total Drama Island. Boom. He just died. And I won. Okay. Aha. No. It's back before the ad appears. Stupid ads. Okay, this game is pretty laggy, but I will survive. And just keep playing. See how it goes. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want me to play next in the comment section. And Cheech out.